Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. There's a lot going on at the moment, so I hope you stay positive and optimistic. You can get your coffee ready or any other drink that you like, and let's start with this video. So today in this video I will show you a lookbook with different outfits that you can create by mixing, for example, some casual items with the formal ones. I kind of always like this type of mix, you know, when you mix these casual stuff with formal things, and I think it looks really stylish. It's very different, and it's different from the stuff we wear daily, I guess. So I really like this type of look. So basically these looks I borrowed from some fashion magazines and fashion blogs, and I just kind of borrowed their ideas and put together in one lookbook. Of course, some of the looks in these fashion magazines are very brave, I guess, so I didn't pick those ones. I just pick the ones that are ready to wear and something that you can actually create as well, because I'm sure you have some of these items in your wardrobes. So yeah, I hope that this will inspire you guys to try to mix and match some stuff that you have in your wardrobe and just play around with the looks and enjoy this video. So let's start. So first would be a mix of some casual joggers and a hoodie with classic blazer. This would be just casual but trendy look. And another detail would be a small crossbody bag, which is also an interesting mix because, as you see, my bag is less casual and more formal style. I have an oversized hoodie from Doghouse Distillery, and I paired it with grey blazer from H&M. So at the end you pair 3 casual pieces like joggers, trainers, and a hoodie with a blazer, which is more formal and classic piece. Instead of joggers, you can also wear jeans and add some classic trainers like white ones. This blazer is great as it's not structured, so it's easy to wear it on top of an oversized hoodie. If you want to take it even further, mix a similar hoodie with the leather trousers or leggings and add some strappy heels and a blazer. By the way, this is my favorite mix as I tried it myself for a first time, and I actually really liked it and liked the overall look. The next look would have a similar formula, which is casual bottoms plus classic formal tops, and it all equals stylish and effortless. For bottoms we leave the same joggers and wear with some comfy sliders, and for a top we can use a classic white shirt and a classic simple bag or a pouch. Instead of sliders you can also try trainers, and for colder days add on top a blazer or a long coat. This is actually the easiest formula to remember and follow, and you can try other pieces in your wardrobe by mixing formal tops with casual bottoms. You can also mix it the other way around when pairing formal bottoms with casual tops. For example, classic pencil office skirt or just a simple black leather skirt with a simple t-shirt. For bottom part, add heels, and this way you still keep the formal look on the bottom. And then if you want to create more stylish look, add a small backpack instead of mini purse. So again, you mix formal with casual. I don't have a small backpack yet, but while I was creating this video, I thought I should purchase one because I actually like the overall look. You can add a denim jacket on top because denim jacket is also a casual piece. And then I also tried this look with more casual sliders on the bottom part, and I just wanted to play around with the look and just mix it all together. And I also paired it with a colorful bag. If you're not a skirt person, the same style you can create by replacing classic skirt with formal trousers, for example, like cigarette style or any other formal ones. And similar as before, you can wear it with heels, creating bottom part more formal and the top is casual and easy. I'm actually wearing this outfit quite a lot, and more often I'm pairing it with white trainers instead of heels, especially now. And this is a very trendy and popular look, especially if you pair it also with a classic blazer. Let's try something completely different. I saw this look on Fashion magazine and I thought to try it as well. So you start with pairing simple leggings with a white classic shirt and add a tweed jacket and heels, preferably like a kitten heels. And it's a very unique look, but I think it looks super stylish and so different. Okay, so if it's too much, a bit easier option is to replace white shirt with a simple t-shirt and tweed jacket with a blazer. You keep leggings and maybe add some comfy trainers and crossbody bag. Let me know if you like these looks, and if so, which one was your favorite one? And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye!